The easiest way to get into the meditative state is to begin by listening and allow yourself to hear all the sounds that are going on around you. Just listen to the general hum, buzz of the world as if you were listening to music. Don't try to identify the sounds you're hearing. Don't put names on them. Simply allow them to play with your eardrums.
Now, in our culture, we've been trained for individual differences to stand out. And we get so that we only see others as separate from ourselves in the ways in which they're separate. And one of the dramatic characteristics of the psychedelic experience is being with another person and suddenly seeing the ways in which they are like you, not different from you.